Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. Today we are going to solve Leetcode problem 3270, find the key of the numbers. So this is another recent problem on Leetcode. So we are going to discuss this problem with some examples, and we are also going to go through the solution, how we can write down and implement the Java code. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel now. Your subscription is really valuable and important for our channel. It really helps and supports this channel. On this channel, we create content and videos to help others in their interview preparation process by showing them how to solve different MySQL, Java, and data structures and algorithmic questions. So let's start. You are given three positive integers num1, num2, and num3. The key of num1, num2, num3 is defined as a 4-digit number, that is initially if any number has less than 4 digits, it is padded with leading zeros. Okay, and the ith digit I is between 1 to 4 of the key is generated by taking the smallest digit among ith digit of num1, num2, and num3. Return the key of the three numbers without leading zeros if any. Okay, so this is what the problem statement says. The num1, num2, num3 is between 1 to 9999 inclusive. So let's take a look at the second example. So what they are saying is you have to basically take the smallest number here, right? So there are numbers given like 987, 879, and 798, right? So 7 is the smallest here, 7 is the smallest here, and 7 is the smallest here, right? So you will take all smallest, then it will give you 777, right? Okay, uh, let's take a look at the this example. So in this example, if you take 1, so what they are saying is your num1 is 1, right? So you have to convert it into 4 digits. Basically, how you will do it, you have to append 0 in the beginning, you have to pad it with 0 like this, basically, right? Like this. Okay, so 0001, and then you have to take the minimum from this. So minimum digit, what is the minimum digit from this? 0, right? So the key is the minimum between this one. So minimum between 001, right? So why 001? Because you got this 0001 here. 10 means what you will do? You will do 00. This is 0, 0, and 10, because you have to append two zeros there. And 1000 means you don't have to append anything there, right? Because it has 4 digits already. Correct? You understood this, right? So we appended these zeros here, we appended two zeros here. For this one, no need to append any zeros because it already has a 4 digits there, right? Okay, so now you have to take minimum digit from this. So minimum digit from this is 0, minimum digit from this is 0, and minimum digit, so third digit key is the minimum between 0, 1, 0, right? So basically what they are saying is 001, you take minimum between 001. First digit is the key is minimum between 001. Then second digit will be 000, right? So how they are doing it? Like this: 001, then 000. Minimum between this is 0, correct? And then minimum between this is again 0, correct? And then minimum between 100 is again 0, right? 100 is 0. So it means that 0000 is what you get actually, right? So 0 will be minimum from this one, 0 from this one, 0 from this one, and 0 from this one. So how we got it? Minimum we got from this, okay? And it gave you all zeros. So it basically it means that what you get, only 0 you get actually, correct? You only get 0. So that's how you got the 0, right? So that's what they are saying. So I hope you are understanding this clearly now. So in the given number, if you don't have 4 digits, you have to append zeros there, prepend zeros, right? So that's what it means, right? So for example, this is just 1, so we have to make it 4 digits. So you have to append 3 zeros, right? 1, 2, 3, and then 1. So this is how you will get that 4 digits for 1, correct? So you have to prepend these 3 zeros here. For num to 10, you have to prepend these 2 zeros here, right? And if it already has 4 digits, you don't have to do anything basically, correct? And then Once you do that, then you have to take minimum between these basically, right? This one, then this one, right? And so on, right? And that's how you can find the key of the numbers. So I hope you understood this problem now clearly. So if you take a look at the second example here, right, it is 987, so you will put 0 there, right? So what it will become, so let me just go here. So it will give you 0987, right? So let us write down that quickly so that we can take a look here. So 0987, right? 987. So that's what you will get there for the first one. For the second one, you will get 0879, right? 0879. It's very difficult to write down here, right? 79. Okay. And the third one is the 798, right? 798. So you put 0798. Okay, so you have to prepend 0 because we want 4 digits, right? Then what you will do, you will take minimum between these columns, right? Between these columns you have to take minimum. So here it is 0, here it is 7, here it is 7, here it is 7, right? So this one means that it is actually 777, correct? So that's why your answer is 777, right? Okay, so you understood this. So we will implement one method in Java that will take care of the prepending thing. So we have to prepend zeros if it is less than 4. So I'll show you that method quickly. So we'll call it as a string with string val with padding, right? So we'll pad it with 0 if it is less than 4 characters, right? So string s is equal to empty in the beginning. So num which is given to us. If the number, so we are going to convert that number into string, right? String dot value of number dot length is less than 4. It means that that number has a less than 4 digits, right? For example, 1 or 10, then we have to prepend it. Then you calculate how much you want to prepend. 4 minus the length of that number, right? So for example, for 10, how much you will have to prepend it? 4 minus 2, because 2 is already there, right? So 4 minus 2 is what you will have to prepend. So it means that you have to prepend 2 zeros there. So we calculated that prepend, and prepend is greater than 0. You will start prepending that 0 to your string, right? And pre minus minus basically, correct? So s plus is equal to string dot value of 0. At the end, you have to just say s plus string dot value of num. So you have prepended 0 0 in zeros in the beginning basically, correct? So what it means is this method, if I give this method 1 0, what it will give me back? It will give me back 0 0 1 0 basically, right? So it will prepend 0 so that this string will become 4 digits basically, correct? With zeros in the beginning, right? Okay. So this one you understood. So this is just a normal method that we will use in our main method now. So generate key is in our main method. So 3 numbers are given to us, num1, num2, num3. We will first get the prepended numbers, right? We will first get the prepended numbers. So for that we will use our string val with padding method that I shown you, this method that we just saw, right? So we'll pass num1, num2, num3 to these methods. You get s1, s2, s3, right? 3 numbers you will get. Now we will create one answer variable, and what we will have to do, what we want to do, we want to take minimum between these columns, right? So this is the first column, this is second column, this is third column, and this is fourth column, right? We have to take minimum value, correct? So that is what exactly we are doing now here. So mat dot mean between s1 dot caret 0 minus 0, s2 dot caret 0, and s3 dot caret 0 minus 0. So why we are doing minus 0? Because we want to convert the character digit into actual integer digit, right? So you have to do minus 0, then you will get the actual digit. So what it does is, so for example, I have a digit, let's say 8, right? This is in character digit. I want 8 as an integer like this. So that's what it does basically, correct? That's what this minus 0 will do, right? Minus 0 will do. So you start forming that number here, and you get answer multiplied by 10, and again you will have to multiply this thing basically, right? So we are actually forming the number, the answer actually from the minimum, right? So how you will do it? So first you will have to get the s1 dot char at 0 and s2 dot char at 0 and s3 dot char at 0. So you are reading the 0th digit. So what is the 0th digit here? So let me just move it here. So 0th digit is this one actually. So this one is the 0th digit, right? This one is the 0th digit. So 789, right? So you will get this 7, right? So this place you got actually, right? 7. Next time again you will do for this place, right? You will get 7, but now you have to multiply this 7 by 10, correct? You have to multiply this by 10 and add this 7 to it. So what you will do? You will get 70 plus 7. So you will get 77 basically, correct? Next for the next column, this column, what you will have to do? You take this 7, you whatever you have, you multiply it by 10, right? 10 here multiplied by 10, the answer you will multiply it by 10. So 77 multiplied by 10, this 77 was your previous answer, you multiply it by 10, so it will become 770 plus you will have to add 7 to it basically, so it will give you 777, right? 777. So that's what we are doing here, right? So you will see that answer multiplied by 10, and then again you will get the minimum between the first column, right? First place caret 1 means first place, then this one caret 2 is second place, then this one means caret 3 is third place. So you will keep multiplying the answer and then adding this value there, right? Multiplying the answer and adding this value. So you are nothing but you are just forming the number basically, right? Like this, so that you, instead of this one, now this one is in the string format, we will get 777. So you will get this number actually, okay? So and just return that answer here, and that should do it. So we'll compile this one, make sure this code compiles and runs correctly. So it's passing all the test cases, you can see here. So we are getting 0 in the beginning for the first one here. This one 777 we got, and for this one we got 1, which is correct answer. Submit this code now to the Leetcode, make sure the code gets accepted by the Leetcode. And as you can see on the left pane, the code is successfully accepted. It is 49.58% faster than other submissions. So this is the way you can solve a Leetcode problem 3270, find the key of the numbers. So we have implemented the string val with padding method here, that will pad necessary zeros in the beginning if it is required, if it is less than 4 digits, right? Then we have used that method here to pad the numbers 1 to 3, and then we have used this logic of just multiplying the answer by 10 and adding the minimum value of that place basically, correct? So this way you will get the number basically from that minimum values, right? Okay, so this is it basically. So I hope you understood this logic clearly and how we have solved this problem. If these examples help you understand this problem in an easier and better way, then please give a thumbs up to this video, give a like to this video, subscribe to this channel. Your subscription is really important for the channel. It really helps and supports this channel. Guys, it takes lots of efforts to come up with these videos, come up with these solutions, create these videos, and uh, create these images. So if you really want to appreciate our efforts, then try to be generous, give it a like to this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell notification icon button right away so you won't miss any important postings from our channel. Here we create content and videos to help others in their coding interview preparation process by showing them how to solve different problems related to data structures, algorithms using Java, as well as MySQL related coding questions. The important playlist you should not miss from this channel includes graphs, matrices, binary search trees, breadth first search, depth first search, and how to use and apply BFS and DFS on graphs, matrices, and trees. There are important playlists that discusses problems related to binary search, dynamic programming, recursion, memoization. The important data structures playlist that you should take a look quickly is stacks, queues, priority queues, min heap, and max heap. Those are frequently asked coding interview problems. They were asked many times by big tech companies in their interviews, and they will give you a good preparation for your interview preparation process. So go through them, they will definitely help you, and share these videos with your friends so they will also learn from this channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep solving more varieties of coding problems, and thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.